Good morning, students. From Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 3. It's a poem. The poem name is The Quarrel. In this poem, the quarreled means clashed. Everybody does in the house. Who? Brother and sister. So, in this poem, we see the quarrel. Let's start the poem. I am going to telling you the story of the poem first of all. So, listen it carefully and go through the line by line explanation. So, just now I am going to start the poem. Listen it carefully. What does the poet say about this poem? The poet quarreled with his brother on some very petty matter. It was so petty that now he does not remember what it was. One thing led to another. Both of them felt that they were right. It had started as something small. It had become big in the end. So they began to hate each other. The afternoon became very tense and unpleasant for both of them. Then suddenly, the poet's brother patted him on the back. He said that the two of them could not go along like that for a long time. It would be difficult to pass the night in that manner. He said that it was his mistake. Just then, the poet felt that his brother was right. In fact, he himself was wrong. So, students, in this poem, the poet tells that. Now I am going to tell you the story in Hindi. किसी तुच्छ बात पर कवि का अपने भाई से झगड़ा हो गया. छोटी सी बात थी. यह इतनी छोटी बात थी कि अब तो उसे याद भी नहीं कि वह क्या बात थी. एक बात से दूसरी बात निकलती चली गई. दोनों को लगता था कि उनकी बात सही है. छोटी सी चीज़ के रूप में यह प्रारंभ हुआ था और अंत में बहुत बड़ा बन गया था. इसलिए वे दोनों एक दूसरे से घृणा करने लगे. दिन का तीसरा प्रहर दोनों के लिए बड़ा तनाव और दुख से भरा था. तभी अचानक कवि के भाई ने उसकी पीठ थपथपाई. वह बोला कि इस तरह वे दोनों अधिक समय नहीं रह पाएंगे. इस तरह से रात गुजारना कठिन हो जाएगा. उसने कहा कि गलती उसकी थी. बिल्कुल तभी कवि को लगा कि उसका भाई सही था और गलती स्वयं उसकी थी. सो पोएम के अंदर यह लगता है भाई को कि गलती उसकी थी, लेकिन पोएट को क्या लगता है तभी कि उसे लगता है कि गलती स्वयं की थी. इसीलिए टाइटल है द क्वारल. सो जस्ट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस पोएम बाय स्टांजा. सो लिसन इट केयरफुली. इन द फर्स्ट स्टांजा आई रेड इट. I quarreled with my brother. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another. and someone. We fell out. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. In this poem, I underline the 4 words. So, the first word meaning quarrel means clashed, jagad padna. Then the second word here, the underlined, led. Led means took. And third word, fell out. Fell out means quarreled. And the fourth word, slight. Slight means small, chota. Okay, so in this stanza, the poet says, what the poet says? I quarreled with my brother. I don't know the reason. Without reason, the poet quarreled with his brother. One thing led to another. Somehow, it ended in the quarrel. It started as a small matter, but it ended bitterly. He said that he was right. I was sure of his being wrong. तो क्या कहते हैं? कहते हैं कि मैं अपने भाई से लड़ पड़ा. कवि कहते हैं. किस बात के लिए लड़ पड़े वो देखते हैं. पता नहीं बात क्या थी. बात से बात निकलती गई और कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि हम लड़ पड़े. प्रारंभ तो छोटा सा था, पर अंत कठोर हो गया. वह कहता था कि उसकी बात सही है. मैं जानता था कि गलती उसकी थी. तो इन दिस स्टांजा द पोएट सेज लाइक दैट. नाउ कम्स टू द सेकेंड स्टांजा. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong. So he was in the right. The poet's name, Eleanor Farjeon. Okay, so in this second stanza, what did the poet say? The poet says, we hated each other. The word hated means disliked. And the word black means here unpleasant. And the third word thumped means patted, thapthapana. And the word come along means come on, pass out. Okay, so in this stanza the poet says we hated each other. Afternoon passed in the bitter mood. Then all of a sudden my brother hit me strongly on my back and said, "Come on, this can't go on all night. I admit my mistake. I realize myself and I admit my mistake." Thus, he was right. So, पोएट क्या कहते थे इस स्टांजा में? हम एक दूसरे से द्रोणा करते थे. तीसरा प्रहर बुरा बीता. फिर अचानक मेरे भाई ने मेरी पीठ पर धौल जमाया और बोला, "अरे आओ भी. हम सारी रात इस तरह नहीं बिता सकते. गलती मेरी थी, इसलिए वह सही था." तो पोएट क्या कहते? तो ये थी पोएम, दो भाई के बीच की लड़ाई की कि गलती किसकी थी. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पोएम इजीली. थैंक यू.